Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about what I think is the best Diaper Pail Odor locking refill on the market. The Amazon brand Mama Bear Diaper Pail Refills for Diaper Genie Pails. If you're a parent dealing with the endless cycle of diaper changes, this product is going to be a game changer for your nursery routine. Let's start with what you're actually getting. Inside the box, you'll find 4 packs of refills, and each pack holds 270 diapers, adding up to a total of 1,080 diapers. That's a huge capacity, which means you won't have to worry about running out anytime soon. These refills are designed specifically for Diaper Genie disposal systems, including Diaper Genie Expressions, Elite, and Complete pails. That compatibility is key because it ensures a perfect fit and easy installation every time. However, do note that these refills are not for use with Munchkin pails. They're strictly made for Diaper Genie systems. What makes these refills so effective is their multi-layer construction. Each bag is built with multiple layers of plastic to trap and contain odors. If you've ever opened a diaper pail that didn't have strong odor control, you know how unpleasant that can be. These refills are engineered to lock smells in, keeping your nursery or bathroom fresher for longer. It's one of those things you don't fully appreciate until you've tried something that doesn't work as well. Another benefit is their sheer convenience. Each of these refills can hold up to 270 newborn diapers. That means fewer bag changes, less hassle, and more time spent where it matters most, with your little one. Plus, since they're an Amazon brand, you're getting them at a very competitive price point compared to other refill options. Right now, the 4-pack comes in at an impressive value, making it an affordable staple for any household with a baby. The refills are also unscented, which is perfect for parents who prefer not to introduce additional fragrances around their baby. Many scented refills on the market attempt to mask smells with perfume, but these rely on their high-quality materials and design to naturally block odors without any added scent. This is particularly helpful if your baby or anyone in your home has sensitivities to fragrances. Installation is straightforward. You simply open up your Diaper Genie pail, drop the refill ring into the top, pull down the bag, tie a knot, and you're ready to go. When it's full, you just cut the bag, tie it off, and start fresh. It's quick and easy, and you won't be fighting with flimsy or loose bags. Finally, these refills are a great option if you're looking for a reliable supply. Since it's a 4-pack with a total count of 1,080, you're essentially set for months, depending on how frequently you're changing diapers. Combine that with Amazon's easy ordering and fast delivery, and you'll never have to scramble for last-minute diaper pail refills again. So to wrap up, the Amazon brand Mama Bear Diaper Pail Refills are a high-capacity, odor-locking, cost-effective solution for Diaper Genie pails. They're simple to use, unscented for sensitive noses, and built with multi-layers to trap even the strongest diaper odors. If you're a parent looking for the best way to manage diaper waste without your home smelling like it, these refills are absolutely worth trying. That's all for today's product critique. If you're ready to upgrade your diaper changing routine and keep your nursery fresh, the Mama Bear Diaper Pail Refills are a solid choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews of the products that make your life easier.